Yo, welcome back. Today I'll be going over these two reels. The Aldebaran Bait Finesse 2022, Steez Air 2020. While I'm setting up, y'all can catch a breakdown, mission brief. Today's mission brief, I will be hitting 3 different waterways, targeting 5 different species. And the main goal is to just test out both combos, explaining how I like each one and the differences between the two. This is not a versus thing, so it won't be any of that. Our goal is to catch 2 bluegill, 2 crappie, 2 bass, 2 pickerel, and then 2 perch. Don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment. Any advice will be greatly appreciated. The things that I will be using are the breakdowns of each thing. The first combo is custom built by 365 Fishing. Some of the key elements is the blink is an RX7 Toray graphite, Tetsuka 100% carbon fiber handle made by American Tackle, nano running guides. It is being paired with the Aldebaran 2022 XG Bait Finesse. Some of the key elements for this is it's 130 grams. It's the XG model with an MGL3 spool, the first of the Bait Finesse with the MGL3 spool. I'll be using Various America Infinity PEX8 7-pound with a 4-pound fluorocarbon leader with an Evergreen International snap. Combo number 2 is the Tulala 60C Slow Jet. Key element is a slow action to hold rod bends, 10-pound braid, and can cast from 0 to 12 grams with no problem. The reel is the Steez Air 500 XXH. It's 135 grams. The ratio is 9.1. The upgrades on this is Ukrainian click dragger, the Gomexis carbon fiber 100 handle, Ray Studio cork knobs. I am using Various America on this one. This one is the PEX4 Dead or Alive in 10-pound with a 7-pound fluorocarbon leader. I use this kind of on the bigger side. And of course the Evergreen snap size 0. Let's get it. All right, people, we got the mission brief and the arsenal breakdown. All right, party people. So in the top left will be what lure I'm using and just a little bit of information. Top right will be the temperature, cloudy, sunny, and so on and so forth. Then at the bottom right will be just the gauge of the fish fighting. So here we go. I can settle for it, people. I can settle for it. Okay. Whew. figured this was gonna be the color. Peace out. Wrong way, wrong way. There you go. Well, I'm done with area number 1. 2 hours and 1 fish. I'm gonna go grab my daughter, take her home, and then prepare to head to area number 2. Catch you there. Area number 2. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to continue working with the Steez and a spinnerbait on these rocks. Woo. Nah, he was sitting right here. Huh? Back on the rocks. I done slipped on this rock a couple times here now. Okay. Oh my goodness. You should have seen the size of this crap. You see something? I thought you seen something.
in it now. I might have to throw something else. I'm gonna throw that little minnow you throwing. Uh-huh, cause they swimming up to it. Now they won't put their mouth on it. The first few times they got it, and let it go real quick. I need to make some kind of sauce or something so they can keep a taste on it. Okay. Got you. I got you. Little guy. Cause you're trying to get me hooked. There you go. Back in the rocks. I'm gonna retie and then get ready to roll.
Area number 3.
What we got here? Crappie. Little guy, man. Get out of here. Too much. All right, let me try to get this perch on the board. Bluegill. Nope. All right. Got my target fish right off the bat. Okay. Attitude. Put the fins up. Look at this. Caught him on a perch. Can't lift him with the rod. A little bit of drag. That's a nice, solid little guy too. Got a little weight to him. crappie. Yep. Not the target. Bluegill. Nope. Another little crappie. Not the target, even smaller. Something scooped it off the bottom. I believe I done got into the school of crappies. Yep. School of the little guys too. Can't believe you scooped that off the bottom. Out of here. He almost swallowed it. Bluegill. Nope. Another one of them darn crappies, man. What happened? This feels like a perch. No, that is a bass. Oh, and he got off. A bass? I ain't want him no way. bluegill. Nope, another crappie. They have really taken over back here. Whoops. Man. It's a pass. Dang it. Not what I'm after. Not what I'm after.
My final thoughts. Very first thing I want to say is all of my bait finesse reels are loaded with some kind of PE or braid line, and that is the reason why I keep the drag at a midway point, just strong enough for me to reel while the spool is still at a stopping point, but enough for the fish to pull if they need to. If I have it on there too tight, you can flex your spool, bend it, misshape it. I don't want to do any of that. Both reels have their place in my setup. My Aldebaran, which is extremely smooth, I have it set up for 4 grams and down. And it can cast 0.5 gram lure with ease, no power needed. As for my Steez, I use it between 2 and 8 grams. Kind of on the higher side, 5 to 8 for the most part, mainly because of the because of the rod itself. So yeah, if I had to pick just one, it would probably be the Aldebaran. I like the Aldebaran a lot, and I'll get more into that into the future. But as for now, I want to thank you all for watching. Remember, the circle is a free lifetime subscription. The square leads you to other videos. Let me know what your favorite reel is. Anyways, peace out.